Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials in place: your Apple ID, computer with iTunes, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, plug the device into power and run a fresh iTunes backup so you can restore later if needed. Make sure your Apple ID password and any two-step codes are ready, and sign into iCloud briefly to check account status. This first action prevents data loss and gives you the working baseline required for the deeper repairs that follow. Now you sign out of iCloud and reset network settings to clear corrupted sync caches. After signing out, go to General, Reset Network Settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi and VPN settings, but often frees stuck iCloud connections. Once the reset finishes, reboot the device, reconnect Wi-Fi, and sign back into iCloud. Allow substantial time for contacts, calendars, and photos to re-index. This step resolves many intermittent iCloud failures without deleting device data. If sign out and network reset fail, the only reliable fix is a full erase and restore. Erase all content and settings, then restore immediately from the iTunes backup you created. This rebuilds system records and forces a clean iCloud registration. Make sure to sign into the same Apple ID during setup. If the restore still fails, try restoring on a different computer, check for Apple ID lock or two-step issues, and then retry. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.